Hi, hey, it's Berta J. Come on into my kitchen with me today to show you how to make a salad dressing. It's Caesar salad dressing. Now, the regular one uses anchovies and cheese and a lot of things that a vegan or a plant-based person really doesn't eat at all, the cheese and all of that. So I have a recipe that I think you will enjoy. I think it's delicious. What you do is you start with almond flour. I use 1/4 cup. And I'm using this big bowl. You don't have to use a bowl that big because I just want you to see how it looks once I do what I have to do. I use 2 small cloves of minced garlic. And I'll show you how to mince garlic in another video. The next thing is 1/2 cup of prepared mustard. Now the old one uses mayonnaise, but this is going to be mustard. You can mix your mustard. It's whatever prepared mustard that you like. If you like Dijon, you can use that. So after that, you're going to I put in a dash of pepper, black pepper. And now what you're going to do is mix this all up till it gets well combined. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put in nutritional yeast. Stir it up again. Now it's getting thicker. The consistency is really thick. There it is. It's pretty thick. Now you're going to add all the liquids. This seems like a lot, but it's going to be 3 tablespoons of Bragg's and 1.5 tablespoons of Tamari. Now, if you want to use 3 tablespoons of either one of those, like 3 tablespoons of Tamari and 3 tablespoons of Bragg's, I'll have the ingredients listed below so you'll be sure to do it correctly. And then you're going to do 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And you're going to do 1/4 cup of, I call it ACV, but it's apple cider vinegar. Pour that in. So you got lots of liquids in here. And then you're going to put in 1/2 cup of water. It's going to loosen everything up. But because you had such a pasty mixture to start with, it's going to turn into a good consistency. And all you're going to do is just keep stirring. If you want it really thick like the traditional Caesar dressing, you don't have to use as much water. You could drop it down to 1/3 cup. So what you're going to do is we're going to dress it on a Caesar salad. Now a Caesar salad usually starts with romaine lettuce, and that's what this is, a plate of romaine lettuce. Usually put on croutons. I'm going to show you what we're going to substitute for croutons. Sunflower seeds. You can put on actual croutons you can make yourself. That may be another video too. I'll show you how to make croutons. It's really easy. Your favorite bread. But I'm going to use sunflower seeds. Seeds are good. It's nice to have. And this is a tablespoon. And then I just reached in my shredded carrots container and I just got it's about 1.5 tablespoons, maybe 2 tablespoons. That's going to be the cheese. And if you have a vegan cheese that you can shred, then put that on. But I'm using carrots today. And now we're going to drizzle on, and we'll drizzle on some of the dressing. I use maybe 2 tablespoons. It tastes really good. It's good. It is strong, but and vinegary. But to me, that's delicious because I really like vinegar. It's too vinegary for you, then just cut back on the vinegar. That is your Caesar salad dressing, and it is very, very delicious. And I hope you will try the dressing and try it on a Caesar salad, or I will use this on just a regular salad. Just take out my greens, put them on my plate, maybe put on some tomatoes and some of my other favorites, chopped up radishes and shredded carrot and some scallions, and then just put some of this on. It's a great dressing. It doesn't have any oil in it. So that's another thing. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you will try it. And don't forget to leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? And we'll see you back here in my kitchen next time. Until then, bye for now.